Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Bio Practical Easy Guide. Start by organizing your syllabus and practical list into manageable sections, then prioritize core techniques and common experiments. Practice key skills hands-on, time yourself, and make simple checklists. Use labeled diagrams and flashcards for procedures, and record short videos of your technique. Review mistakes quickly and repeat weak steps until confident, staying calm and focused on exam day. Practice beats passive reading, so spend time actually doing techniques or simulating them. Set up mini sessions where you follow a protocol, time each step, and note where you hesitate. Use household-safe materials for repetition and take labeled photos to check your sequence. Repeat weak steps deliberately and summarize each practice into a one-page checklist. Small, consistent practice sessions build confidence much faster than last-minute cramming. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support more practical study help and shorter videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It saves time for extra practice and helps keep your workspace spotless. Check the description for the link and other deals, and don't worry, this is just a helpful tip. Now let's get back to the video. Use straightforward tools that speed learning: checklists, flashcards, and brief video recordings of your technique. Checklists keep you on track during practice, while flashcards help recall key terms, measurements, and common errors. Video allows you to spot posture or timing issues you might miss live. Review each tool weekly and adjust your study plan based on weaknesses. Consistent, varied practice prevents panic and improves real exam performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.